He didn't grow up in mansions, didn't inherit millions. But today, Jacob Arabo is the man behind watches worn by billionaires, rappers, and royalty. This is the untold story of the man who turned diamonds into a legacy. From prison to billionaire, early life and dreams. Born in Uzbekistan in 1965, Jacob Arabo moved to New York at the age of 14. With barely any English, he started working odd jobs. But his eyes and hair were always on one thing: jewelry. He enrolled in a jewelry design course at just 16, and by 17 he dropped out. Not because he failed, but because he was already designing jewelry better than his teachers. The rise of Jacob & Co. By the age of 21, Jacob had opened his first jewelry booth in New York's Diamond District. He wasn't just selling jewelry, he was creating wearable art. Then came the celebrities. Noticed by rappers and athletes, Jacob's creations exploded onto the red carpet. He became Jacob the Jeweler. His style? Flashy, loud, unapologetic. His pieces were conversation starters. Soon, the hip-hop world took notice. Prison time. But success came with a price. In 2006, Jacob was arrested for his connection to a money laundering case. He was sentenced to 2.5 years in prison. For many, it would be the end. But for Jacob, it was only a pause. While behind bars, he reimagined his brand, comeback and innovation. After prison, Jacob returned with even bigger ideas. Watches that defied gravity, designs inspired by galaxies. He wasn't just making luxury, he was rewriting the rules. From celebrities to royalty, Jacob's clients now included the world's most powerful names. His watches became symbols of boldness, imagination, and time itself. Time is wealth. Legacy. Today, Jacob & Co. isn't just a brand, it's a symbol. A symbol that no matter how hard you fall, you can rise again. From a Soviet immigrant to the king of diamonds, from prison to billionaire. Your past doesn't define you, your comeback does. If this story inspired you, don't forget to hit like, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe for more untold journeys of luxury, resilience, and power. This is Brain Boosters, where every story is carved in ambition and polished in purpose. Like, comment, share, subscribe.